Hi everybody, I was given an ottoman. Yes, this is an ottoman. It is a cloud ottoman. Think of it as sort of like a super firm, giant pillow. These are great for dorm rooms, for apartments, for any home, really. I plan to use it in my main living room here. So what you're going to do is you are going to be very careful and you are going to use scissors and kind of get this started. There's like tape on the end. Once you get this layer off, you can see it is even getting bigger. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut this top part. And as soon as the air gets in, it starts to puff up. And that's it. Now we're gonna give it some time. It will take up to 72 hours to fully inflate, I'm going to call it, but there's nothing to inflate, it's just to puff up again. So let's give this some time and then we're gonna take some close-up looks and see how it works. Okay, this is a 37-inch rectangular ottoman. It's everything. You saw that I was using it as a seat. It's great for parties. Peppa loves it as a perch, I'm going to call it, and a bed. The material is so nice. It comes in a lot of different colors, and it's that like, I'm gonna call it like chunky corduroy, but it's super soft. And on the bottom, you have like the non-slip grippies there, which are great. As you can see, the texture is so gorgeous and it's so soft. It really is just perfect. I think that this is so great because you can move it from place to place easily. I'm just here on my couch and then I'm going to move it to the chair in a bit. You can also use this with a boneless couch. That's one of the couches that's sort of like a combination, like a futon slash couch. This is also great for dorm rooms because you could just take this in the box. It would take up barely any room when you are traveling to school. And then when you open it, it is perfect. Absolutely loving this. Can't say enough great things about this. I'm going to link it and I think you need to check it out. It's super comfy.